All right, guys, today we're doing George Michael Praying for Time, a rare piano version. Let's take a listen. Do you think we have time? Do you think we have time? And so forth. Hello, everyone. I'm Sean Cheek, and welcome to my Easy Piano Lessons. We're about to do the part one lesson here. All of the lessons for this whole thing are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Been teaching for 30 years almost, the last 12 years online exclusively, and I have between 4,000 and 5,000 lessons total on the website right now. So plenty of lessons on there for everyone. A lifetime of music, really. Works on your phones, your laptops, your iPads, all of that good stuff. EasyPianoLessons@yahoo.com is my email address if you want to see about getting on the next hard request list or just any questions you might have. Anyway, let's get going. Our part one lesson here. I have just a cheap Casio Privia board, and which I love. And I've had a lot of fun lately just using the reverb and chorus on it. I forgot I had that setting on this. It just adds a nice little 80s sound to it, doesn't it? All right, so we're in the key of A, E, A, C sharp, left hand on an A octave, okay? 1, 2, 3. Now, right there, I'm going to go A again with just the thumb. 1, 2, 3. You can play the whole octave again. Just don't do it too heavy. And then da 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 da, E, E, A, B, E. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. So we have 1, 2, 3. Now, what we have next, because the first measure was an A chord, this is called an E chord over an A pedal, because we have an E chord on top, G sharp, B, E, while we maintain that A bass. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 before we get to the next measure. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, just sounds like George Michael, doesn't it? Just have that chord, go to the E minor there, and the A on the bass, so it just really has that sound. G, B, E. Now the G is natural, so that makes it a E minor chord instead of a major chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so same kind of style as the rest of it. 1. But now we're going to go to a D minor, F, A, D, F natural. 1, 2, bum, bum. So you have the A and then the F, A, D, 2, 3. There's going to be A, F on the left hand, bum, bum. The right hand will have D, A, D. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Count 4 will be D, A, B, D. Left hand on a G. That's what the chord is. And then we're back to the A chord. But right at the end of that measure there, you have an E with your 2 finger. And then we'll just slide right back into that A octave, okay? So let's look at this measure right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And the person playing the piano does it seems like a little bit different every time. That's the way he does it the first time. Okay, so the whole beginning of it goes 1, 2. You can look this up on YouTube. It says it's George Michael Praying for Time rare piano version. Hear what I'm teaching here. 1, 2, 3. But add a few little more left-hand notes in there, just getting into the music, and so you should feel free to do the same. There at the very end is the beginning of the next measure. 1, 2, 3. I started out on an actual whiteboard, 12 years ago with markers, and board space was always at a premium, so I'm still in my mind, I can't get out of my head that I have infinite board space now. You know, it's not like I'm going to run out of room like I always did back then. But that's sometimes I'll start measures like that at the end of the line because I'm thinking, well, I don't have any room, but I do. Okay, so over there it's 1, 2, 3. So this is continuing just like that did. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now here it's different. So, you know, this is all the same kind of stuff, but right here, G, B, E, and G, B again, and then an F. Okay? So just a little bit different every time. Now here you're going to play an A on the left hand octave, but you're just going to play it a little before the next measure, but continue to hold it. Okay? So you have, starting right there. 4, 1, 2, 3. Now we have sometimes this da-dum, da-dum, E, and then D-A-D. Okay? Left hand goes A-F. You want to do an A octave, you can. Just do it very smoothly and not with any heaviness. Okay, now D-A-B-D with the G on the left hand. Da-dum. Then we have that E to the left hand. A octave there. Back to the E, A, C sharp. That's good for the part 1. Now let's go all the way through it so we have the part 1 nailed down. 1, 2, 3. Part's really catchy. It's fun. Even though it's very repetitive, there are some other sections, and we'll get all those little nuances, how it's different each time. I was about to go on, but that's the end of the part 1, and we'll see part 2 on the website. Talk to you guys later.